Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to install Python 3.1 on Windows 10. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Python or an experienced coder setting up a new environment, this guide has you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing Python 3.1 on Windows 10. Go to thepython.org. Click Download will find all platform, choose platform what you have. And click Download for Windows. Locate the downloaded installer file. Double-click the installer to start the setup. Choose Installation Options. Install Now. This option quickly installs Python with default settings, including necessary tools like idle and pip. It's convenient if you're okay with the default location and options. Customize Installation allows you to choose the installation location and select additional components. You should use this if you want more control over where Python is installed and what features to include. If you're installing Python for general use, Install Now is usually fine. If you want to adjust the location or components, go with Customize Installation. Checking Use Admin Privileges will give the installer permission to make necessary changes, which can help avoid issues if there are restrictions on your system. Add Python to path makes it easier to run Python from any command line or terminal without specifying the full path to the Python executable. Check this box, as it simplifies using Python and pip from the command line. Once finished, you'll see a message confirming that Python has been successfully installed. Verify the installation. Open a command prompt. Type Python version and press Enter. If Python was installed correctly, you should see the version number. And that's it. You successfully installed Python 3.1 on your Windows 10 system and you're all set to start coding. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below, I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! See you in the next video.